Here I have Dongfeng Box and let me show you how to enable the driver fatigue status reminder. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here let's open the car icon to open the settings. From the following view, let's choose the driving assist. It's the 5 option from the left. And here, if you scroll down to the bottom of the list, you should see the driver monitoring. And under this tab, you've got the driver fatigue status reminder. Let's enable this feature. And right now, the car uses internal sensors to monitor signs of tiredness, such as frequent blinking or head dropping. Always keep this on during long road trips. If the car detects you are asleep, it will suggest that you should take a break. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.